Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a delicious, low-fat, whole food cheese sauce. This is so simple. It's going to be quick and easy, all going to go into the Vitamix. So let's get started. So here's how easy this cheese sauce is. In this pot I boiled 1 Yukon Gold potato, which I didn't even peel, I just chopped up small, half a carrot, cooked it until it was tender, fork tender, and then I'm just going to take all the potatoes and carrots and put it in my Vitamix. To this I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. For spices we have salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and then just like a squeeze of a quarter of a lime. Or lemon, excuse me, lemon. So what you want to do is you want to put a cup of the potato and carrot water in here. And then we may use more. We're just going to see how it turns out. So we're going to blend this up and see how the consistency is. So that is absolutely perfect. And of course you want to taste it, make sure the seasonings are enough for you, or you know, if you need to add more. And then I just put this in a mason jar, and I don't know if you can see how thick that is. It's beautiful. And you can absolutely double this recipe depending on how large your family is. This is enough for me for about 5 days, but it's so easy to make. I mean, I can make this if I come home from work. It's done in no time. It's great on potatoes, veggies, good as a dip with chips. So I'm gonna give this a taste. I've got some steamed broccoli here, so I'm just gonna put some on my broccoli. And it's still nice and hot. And this reheats beautifully. And what's great about this recipe, no oil, no nuts. So if you have a nut sensitivity or allergy, this will totally work for you. So let's give this a taste. Here we go. It's so amazing. So cheesy. It's perfect. I mean, you could put this on pasta, potatoes, veggies, anything. I mean, you're gonna literally want to take a bath in it. So I really hope you give this one a try. It's good for you, it's good for the animals, and it's good for the planet. And what you put on your plate determines your fate. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you are notified every time I upload a video. Until next time, thank you.